I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create everything you need to launch your next product or service. I'm talking about blog posts, emails, ads, landing pages, scripts, you name it. And all of this is going to be written specifically for your business and offer. Let's go. Hey, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and on this channel, I share the best tools you can use to grow your business. If you're launching a new product or service, you know that there's a ton of things you need to build in order to promote it. Blog posts, landing pages, ads, emails, and so on. I don't need to tell you that doing all of this can take up a lot of time manually, and sometimes you're not even sure where to get started when you're trying to write all these content assets. Well, that's exactly where Jasper AI can help. Jasper is an amazing AI tool that can write all of this for you in under 2 minutes. No, seriously, it's like black magic. But the proof is in the pudding, as they say, so we're gonna jump right into Jasper, and I'm going to show you how you can do this in just a few minutes. Now, before we get started, if you wanna follow along and create a campaign for your product or service, click the link in the description below to get a 7-day free trial where you'll be able to do this completely free and check out what Jasper can make for you. Okay, so here we are in the Jasper backend, and all you have to do is click on campaigns and then click new campaign. Next, you're going to want to tell Jasper what the campaign you want to run is. So tell it about what your product is, who your target audience is, your goals, anything about who you are. Really like you're talking to a friend, or if you were giving an assistant or a consultant a job. So in this case, let's just say we are a fitness influencer or coach, and we want to make a weight loss program. But it's not just a regular weight loss program, it's a weight loss program for new mothers. So for mothers who want to get back into shape after pregnancy. And let's say it's 6 weeks long and it costs $99, and that will primarily be promoting it on TikTok. And once they sign up for $99, they actually get lifetime access. So as you can see, I'm just talking about the program at a high level, like if I was telling you about it and we were having a coffee. So once you know what it is that you want it to do, simply enter it. So I'm a fitness influencer that's launching a weight loss challenge for new mothers who wants to get back in shape after pregnancy. My goal is for people to sign up for the challenge. Challenge costs $99 for lifetime access, so avoid any mentions of free. You can also tell it things you don't want it to say. I will be promoting the challenge primarily on TikTok. The challenge launches in 3 months, so this might be that it's not even live yet. And Jasper will actually understand all of these things. Notice that you didn't have to write any special commands that the AI can understand, or any like special formatting or anything like that. It's written in plain, simple English. Then what you want to do is simply name the campaign so you can easily find it. Let's just call this weight loss challenge product, something like that. Now you'll notice here that there is something called brand voice. Now this is completely optional. What Jasper can do is actually, if you're very specific about your brand voice and you've written a lot of stuff, you can just give Jasper a link or upload any content you've written, and Jasper will analyze that and create a brand voice for you instantly. Now it's completely optional, but I did want to mention that it is possible. The other thing you can simply do is you can even just tell Jasper how you want to write it. Like you could do something like, write it in the voice of Snoop Dogg. Seriously, it'll do it. But obviously you don't want to do that. But you could say something like this. You could say, you know, write in a friendly yet informative manner, or something like that, or I want to be viewed as a thought leader. So you could say something like that, and we'll keep that, right, in a friendly yet informative manner. And then what you want to do is you want to click select content, and then you want to just simply select the things you want. So blog post, let's say you want a case study template, you want to add, you want a landing page, you want to have a TikTok script, a newsletter, an email, so you can Google Ad, anything you want. I'll just pick a few here. These are all the things it can automatically create for you. And then you just hit generate campaign and the magic happens. Like honestly, this is crazy. So for example, let's just look at the first thing it created. It created the content for a Facebook ad, right? So primary tech, new moms, get ready to get back into shape. Join our post-pregnancy weight loss challenge. Transform your body today. Lifetime access for $99. Boom. All of that It knew the context, it wrote great copy for us instantly. Let's look at another thing. Look at this entire landing page it just wrote. Post-pregnancy weight loss challenge for new moms. Join our lifetime access. You can see the meta description. So this is a back-end field. Landing page body. You can see there the key features. Look at how detailed it is, right? It's assumed that you're going to offer these things, and it's written that for you. And it's got great copy. It's got the CTAs. Honestly, mind-blowing, right? Let's do one more. Let's look at the nurture email sequence. And here you can see you have the subject lines, everything, even personalized, everything done for you. And all you have to do is flip out these little pieces here with your specific links and your name and whatnot, but it's all written for you. It's 5 emails that have just been written for you. But if 5 emails aren't enough for you, you can just say something like, write me 5 more emails, and hit run command. And then Jasper will start writing that for you. It'll literally write you 5 more emails. Then you just click continue writing. Sometimes Jasper takes a bit of a break, and all you have to do is just hit this continue writing button, and it's just gonna keep going until it writes you 5 more emails. Now, for all the assets, you obviously want to read all of this over and make sure it's accurate, and then the sections where it needs you to put in your name, then it would do. Now, if you actually told it your name, it would have done that for you. So essentially, it's only limited by the information you give it. If you didn't give it the price of the product, then of course it wouldn't know the price of the product. If you didn't give it your business name, then of course it wouldn't know your business name. And lastly, when you're done, you want to just copy and paste whatever you built into your appropriate program. So in this case, email, copy and paste that into your email autoresponder. If you wrote a blog post, copy and paste that into your blogging software. And that's it. So to recap, you just need to sign up for Jasper, click the link to get a 7-day free trial, then create your campaign and give it a little bit of a brief. The more detailed, the better, but you don't have to write any fancy commands. You're just going to type it like you're talking to a person, then choose the outputs you want, hit generate, then take a look at everything it's generated, make any small changes you need to, take that content, put it in the right place, and you're done. Jasper's been a game changer for me, and I've used it to write everything from lead magnets to video scripts. And this video right here is just scratching the surface. I'm showing you the most automated way you can use Jasper, but you can actually get very, very specific, and Jasper can create, like I said, blog posts, even custom generated art, video scripts. It has so many things it can do for you, and if you want to get really, really granular and give it very specific instructions, then it can create some very, very, very unique pieces for you at a fraction of the time that you would normally create them. It can also generate ideas for you. So check out the channel for more videos on some specific things Jasper can do. If you want to get deeper on something like blog posts or writing ads or social posts, I'm going to have a series of videos coming out about Jasper and how to use it as a power user. So check the channel out for that. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.